Welcome to Sigzen Chemical. In this video, you will learn how to manage sales flow in ERPNext. To add a new item to your inventory, begin by searching for quotation in the awesome bar and selecting it. Then, click on Add Quotation. Choose a customer and select the desired customer. After that, click on Item Code to pick the item. Then click on Add Row to include the item in the quotation. Once done, click on Save and submit the quotation. Next, proceed by clicking on Create and selecting Sales Order. Enter the delivery date by clicking on the Delivery Date field. For the first item, click to Edit. Adjust the quantity and then enter the purity level. The real quantity will automatically adjust based on the entered purity. Repeat these steps for the second item. Edit it, input the quantity, and specify the purity. You will see the real quantity change based on the purity level. After verifying all the details, and click on Save and submit the sales order. Now, click on Create and choose Delivery Note. Review all the details. Then click on Save and submit the delivery note. Following that, click on Create again and click on Sales Invoice. Verify all the details. Then click on Save and submit the sales invoice. Finally, create a payment entry by clicking on Create and click on Payment. Choosing the mode of payment and specifying the payment type. Review all the details before saving and submitting the payment entry. Once these steps are complete, you can check that the status has been updated to Submitted.